Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your EVS subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 5, types of clothes. Before starting to our lesson, they have given us little warm up. We are going to see that. Look at these pictures of clothes. Write the season in which you wear them. Take the help of the words given in the box. They have given here the box summer, winter, rainy, and they have given the pictures of the clothes. We have to write in which season we are using this clothes. See, first you can see this is raincoat. Yes, raincoat we use in rainy season. So we are going to write the spelling of rainy. Okay, then the t-shirt we use in summer season, so we are going to write here summer. Then jacket we use in winter, right? So we are going to write spelling of winter. Rest of the three you are going to write. See, gumboots we use in rainy, so you are going to write here rainy season. Shorts we use in summer season, so you will write here summer. And this sweater we use in winter, so you are going to write here winter. Okay, now in this lesson what we are going to see, clothes and season and uniforms. See students, we wear different types of clothes in different seasons, right? When season change, we change our clothes also. We need clothes to protect ourselves. Why we need clothes? We need clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain. Yes. So we wear clothes according to the seasons. That's why we use clothes according to the season. Clothes and seasons. We wear clothes made of cotton and linen in summer. Yes, in summer season, which clothes we use? Cotton and linen. Cotton cloth is made from cotton wool of the cotton plant, and linen is made from the flax plant. What is flax plant? A plant with blue flower that is cultivated for its seed and for the thread made from its stalk. And linen is one of the oldest fabrics used by humans. It is the oldest fabric. Now cotton and flax are spun into threads. They are spun into threads, then cloth is woven from these threads. First what they make? They make threads, and from that, and then cloth is woven from these threads by hand on looms. Looms means a hand operated or power driven apparatus for weaving, or you can say it's a machine containing harness and all. Okay, harness, threads. Cotton and linen clothes make us cool. Cotton and linen clothes make us cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter. When we wear woolen clothes in winter, like sweater, jacket, right? In very cold places, people wear clothes made up of fur. Wool is made from fleece of sheep and goats. Silk is made from the silk cocoons of the silkworm. What they are saying? Wool is made from fleece of sheep. Fleece means the wool coat of a sheep. And goats. Silk is made from silk cocoon. Now what is cocoon? Cocoon, a covering of thin threads that some insects make to protect themselves before becoming an adult. So cocoons of the silkworm. People knit woolen clothes by hand. See, you can see here, it is made by hand. Woolen clothes are also made in factory. Woolen and silk clothes keep us warm. Yes, in winter season we wear sweater, jackets, caps made up of wool, right? And where we get wool? See, the fleece. Where we get wool? From sheep and goats. Yes. In the rainy season, we wear rubber or plastic coats. In the rainy season, we wear raincoats. Yes, you all know raincoats. Over our clothes, these coats are waterproof. Why we wear that coats? Because that are waterproof. Water does not get through these waterproof clothes known as raincoats. They are known as raincoats. These clothes keep us dry. When there is rainy season, we use raincoats. So, because of raincoats, they keep our clothes dry. See students, did you know clothing varies with geography, climate, culture and tradition of the people. Now, uniforms. School students wear school uniform. Some adults also wear uniforms at work. What they are saying? You are students, right? You all wear a school uniform when you come to school, but some adults also wear uniform at work. At some places, adults means big person, means those who are big from you. Yes, they also wear a uniform at their workplace. Soldiers in the army wear uniforms that help them hide in jungles. Why they wear that uniform? Because it helps them to hide in the jungle. Nurses wear uniforms too. The nurses also wear uniform. Yes, you have seen the nurses. They wear white uniform. When patients see someone in this uniform, they know they can call them for help. When they wear their uniform, if any patient needs them, yes, the patient can call them for help. Astronauts wear clothes that help them to stay safe in spaceships. An astronaut's uniform or outfit is known as spacesuit. You can see here, this is a spacesuit. Yes, this is astronaut's spacesuit. Now see what little scientist is saying. We should wear light color clothes in summer and dark color clothes in winter. Little scientist is saying when the summer season is going on, we should wear light colored clothes. And in summer and in winter, we should use dark color clothes. In light color, it protects our body from heat. And in winter, when we wear dark color, it protects us from cold. Now, we are going to wind up our lesson. In this lesson, what we have seen? Types of clothes based on seasons, summer, winter, rainy. In summer, which type of clothes we wear? Cotton and linen. In winter, which type of clothes we wear? Wool and silk. In rainy, which type of clothes we wear? Rubber and plastic. And clothes based on work or uniforms. Okay students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. So now we are going to evaluate. First, A question is strike out the incorrect word. We wear cotton and linen clothes in summer or winter? Summer. So we are going to cross winter. Waterproof materials keep us dry. Wet when it rains, they keep us dry. So wet is the incorrect one. So we are going to cross it. Now draw lines to match correctly. Now we have to use scale. Linen and cotton are used in summer. So we are going to match with the scale. Then looms. Looms are what? Looms are cloth. So we are going to match it. Then fur. Fur is used in winter. Then rubber and plastic are waterproof. Then knit is woolen clothes. Now fill in the blanks. We need dash to protect ourselves. Clothes. CLOTHES. Then wool is made from the dash of sheep and goats. Fleece. Astronauts wear special clothes to stay safe in space. Now state true or false. People who do certain kinds of work wear uniforms. Yes, so it is true. Linen is made from the jute plant? No, so it is false. We wear the same clothes for different seasons? No, so it is also false. Now answer in one or two words. Where do we get these fibers from? Linen, flax plant. Cotton, we get cotton from cotton plant. And silk from silkworms. What kind of clothes do we wear to stay warm? Woolen clothes. Then answer in sentence. This question answer I am going to give you in your notebook. Okay students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. So we are going to meet in the next lecture. Bye. Take care. Thank you.